actually destroy somebody's family.
Madam.
You know?
Madam.
Hello, welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe or help me to share. I bring this news come out for Una. This husband and wife, whether they live for UK, they be Nigeria children, they be Nigeria couple, they be Nigeria king. Yes, I bring they come out for Una table because they fight for UK. They say that this husband and carry this our sister come from Nigeria to UK, and I even train her for school for Nigeria. They say they get quarrel. Say the wife say because he not well, as he not well go hospital, as he come back, the husband not show concern. Then he carry knife. One use and one use and injure her husband. For me, I know read day all those ones. For me, they for youth sense. They get family back home. We get culture. You know, they get family back home when they're supposed to contact, communicate with. If they not fit handle and then they go their own way, everybody go their own way. For one person to kill each other, no, it's not done because the children need the father, the children need the mother. You understand? But this how our sister is displaying for Thai road, it not make sense at all. No matter what your husband do you, at least you contact family. If you know say the thing not work, then you will go your way. Not for you to carry knife in one use hand. You know, I know they say whether not truth, whether not lie, we don't know. But the husband call police. I will leave na me una watch. Please don't forget to drop your own opinion. Thank you very much.
I had to home.
Madam, you go get.
Give me a blast their balloon. On Sunday.
Charles, go inside that car, sit down.
Don't talk to me. If I'm with it, get out of this place. Get out. You are an idiot. You are a fool. And when you get out, you're a fool.
You want to attack the man. You want to attack the man.
Chalo, no, what is now? Whether Chalo, Charlie, please. Well, everyone, Jono, no, we're better. Because I'm going to have she sent Delhi a guy with the moon. God, show why. What's in the agent? I dash you 30 pounds yesterday. Yes, and big, I'm sure my man do and I'm dash me. And that's out there. You will go to me. Shall I go to me? I will be the mold and the phone. You will wear.
And I love you. And I love you.
You care for Madam. Madam, go to Pash. Who knows so? Where's the potato? Get it one. No one needs so much of. I don't need so. Madam, I'm going your man. I'm going your man. How did it? Who needs to and if still, not to destroy somebody's family.
Madam.
You know,
Madam.
Madam, because I will expose you. You're an idiot. You don't know me.
Madam, because
you get me by my child and I'm Nigeria.
Madam, because you can.
Let me go transfer. No, madam, me. Why are you here?
When I know contract.
What's not happy? Let me fall down.
They are taking a record of what is going on. Police have arrived, and then the neighbors, everybody watching. What?
Almost go for down and police. I'm making one thing.
Must go for down.
Go for down and police. I'll go down and take it.
Okay. So she's down there.
No.